This is the solution for the spreadsheet features task. Label the different parts of the spreadsheet below with these terms. So you got 8 terms here and you have to enter in the respective boxes. So here, the first one where it says fruit, we are going to complete that with what? Text label. Alright, that's where we put a label for something in the spreadsheet. Here it's the text label. Right here we have equals C3 times D3. That is a formula. Alright, a formula. Starts always with the equals and has an operation. So it's complete. Here we have a column. This is a column G here. Alright, this is it. So we can complete it with column. Remembering that this is column and this is what? This is row. So we have a row here. Right here it's a row. Okay. To make it clear, there would be several possibilities where you put each one of the labels, but that's the way I'm putting it. We could do differently if you wanted, but just to make clear, column refers to the column G, row refers to the row 2 in this case, so actually 3, I'm sorry, row 3 where there is the word apple. Text label, fruit, okay? Now, the whole thing here, the whole thing is what we call the worksheet. So, let me get the word, grab the word worksheet there, and paste it in the proper box. There we go, worksheet. There is a price for this, and this is a cell that is selected. You can see that it's selected. It has the little squares around it. So when we click on it, it gets this format, and that's what we call an active cell. Active cell. So let's get active cell here. Right here, I can call this the cell reference. In this case, the cell is G5, cell reference. Alright, oh, it's there, cell reference G5. Control C, Control V. If I were to identify this as the cell reference, that would not be G5, but it would be G1. Alright? Right here we have a number. While this is a formula, this is a number, a value. So let me copy the word value over there. Control V, value. So we got all those 8 labels. Text label, formula, column, row, cell reference G5, value, 12, active cell, because you can see it's active, it has the blue line around, and the whole thing here is a worksheet. Now, for the answer of those questions, what symbol must a formula always start with? It's equals. Alright? Equals. Here, what symbol would you use to add 2 numbers together? Would be plus. Alright? Plus. I'm not being able to paste my information here, but please just make sure you get it right. What symbol would you use to subtract here? A number would be the symbol of minus. The minus symbol, right? What symbol would you use to multiply two numbers? That would be the asterisk, that's star. What symbol you would use to divide the number? It's that inclined line. I'll show you in a minute the whole solution. The formula to work out the cost of the bananas. The formula for the cost of the bananas. Here's the banana. Here's C. Here's D. The formula would be equals C5 times D5. C5 times D5. Then the last question is, write the formula to work out the cost of the pineapple. The pineapple is here in row 8. So it's C8 times D8 equals C8 times D8. Alright, got that? I hope everybody got that. I have the solutions here. And get that for you. There's one error here. This is C5 times D5. So this one is wrong. This is C5 times D5. I just got it from one of the students. But everything else is correct. Text label, formula, column, cell reference G5, value, active cell, worksheet, row, and the symbols here. Equals, plus, minus, times, divided by, equals C5 times D5, because the question is about the banana, not about the orange, and equals C8 times D8.